This is Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. As that's right, old Vincenzo has brought back truth and, most importantly, integrity back into the trading market, right? And as we go and look on into the coins, you can see Bitcoin right now. The overall market, stock market's not looking too good, but you can see Bitcoin got rejected again by that upper resistance now that used to be lower support, and that's telling, because that could be telling you, and the bearish sentiment, that the price is going to come down to the top part of this white support area, which is the major traded area in the volume indicator up here, right? And that coincides with that blue ring right there. Let's try to make these blue rings a little bit brighter. See that? See the blue ring now? You can see them beautifully now. And that's going to be your next lower support if you can't get back into this rising channel, which is a bear flag, a bearish continuation pattern, right? You see that? But if you continue to leak down, you're going to come down to the $36,854, and then your next underneath support is down there at the next blue ring, right, and next to the orange descending ring, and the blue ring's trending from bottom left to top right, and the orange ring's trading from top left to bottom right. They're moving the opposite direction, right? And that would be your next underneath support. But that would be your next area that you need to watch. Can you trade back up to that 39,900, the upper resistance, that orange line, and then get back above it? Or do you continue to trade down? Because I think even on a little bit of a pump, if you do get one in the short term, any short-term pump will be followed by a quick sell-off, because I believe the overall technicals in the crypto market is bearish, and it'll continue to be bearish as we have some kind of commuter alert, maybe some wet roads, who knows. People seem to be, if you don't tell them that the roads are wet, they think it's dry, even though they can see it's wet in front of them, right? Because the average people are musha on the integrity level and smartness. You can see Doge hit a regional pump, and this is something the rest of the coins could do, but you're going to see, just like if the rest of the coins do this, on a quick pump up with no volume, you're running up into the 200-day and the 4-hour. In the 2-hour, you can see it getting rejected. In the 1-hour, you can see it trying to pump up after a rejection. And then if we go to the 30-minute time frame, you can see it's consolidating beautifully, and that's why you always start from the far out time frame. And it's consolidating on the moving averages, but I think this, and this is a forecast, is going to quickly trade back down. And then if you look back out into the 3-hour time frame, you'll see it quickly sells back off, right? And that's how you diagnose, sniff out, and detect pattern and what's going on. I do not believe that little 5% pump will be held. I believe that Dogecoin by the end of the day today will be below 13.9, right? It'll close below what it's at now. And you can see the XRP got hit pretty hard this morning, and it actually did break, which is key. That underneath local bottom that we wrote on there, you can see you're slightly below it now at 68 cents, almost coming down beautifully to our 63-cent target. And there could be some buyers there at the 63 cents, right? And you could get a bounce back up into here. That's less likely. What's more likely to happen is you do a little bounce, the moving average, and then you finally come down to that 47 cents, ever elusive short term that became a 2-month target, right? Because it is going there, and that would appear to be your next move to the downside, right? So pay attention to the market. There's lots of slippery things going on. There could be some reversals, as reversal Tuesday is tomorrow, right? But I'm very bearish in the overall market. You can see the stock market today has not had a good day after a 900-point close down Friday. It's early in the trading day today, but it's down 400 points now and falling. And you can see our GameStop is, for some reason, not moving down, but we are in an open short position. We took a short out at $144 change per share, so we're up $4, $5, $6, $7 a share. But I only had enough to short 8 shares, so whatever, $8, $30 right now. But we have a much, much bigger downside target there. And some of these other high flyers, Rivion's down 80% from its top. Microsoft's down about 20% from the top. Apple's down about 20%. Lucid's down 80%. Tesla's down about 25%. Alibaba is down about 80%. That was a former high flyer during the peak of the 2020 and early 2020 bubble. Robinhood's down over 50%. BJ's is down $20 a share from its top. Canopy Grow's down 90%. Vaxar is down 80 something percent. Even Smith and Wesson's down 40%. Sorrento Therapeutics, another high flyer, is down 90%. A10 Network's not doing as bad. They're only down about 20%, right? Zillow's down 75%. AMC's down 60%, right? Fuel Cell's down 90%. You can see Blink Charging is down 80%. Plug Power is down 80%. NVIDIA is down a huge. Not to all these former high flyers during the peak of the bubble are all getting hammered right now. Netflix continues to take it on the chin, down another 400 or 4.5%, and people are holding the bag at $700 a share. The markets are giving you warnings and firing bomb warnings all over the place. If you know where to look and know what you're looking for and know how to spot it, right? They're telling you it. If you're paying attention, the market's telling you it, not the media, the market, not the politicians, the market, not the paper or the corporate shill propagandists that you see holding a microphone. They're not telling you this, but if you look at the stocks, the individual stocks, they're telling you this. They're firing off warning signs left and right. You need to take a heed and take notice. Peace and love until the next update.